Welcome to Tamil Nadu Tourism Development Corporation, TTDC's resort in Mahabalipuram. If you are planning a trip to this UNESCO heritage town, this is one of the best places to stay. As you step inside, you are welcomed by a spacious, well-lit reception area. The friendly staff here ensures a smooth check-in process. Additionally, you'll also find information about local attractions and travel assistance here at the check-in place. The resort is beautifully maintained with lush greenery and a serene atmosphere. Whether you want to take a morning walk or relax with a book, the outdoor spaces here offer a peaceful retreat. Now let's check out the standard rooms. It's spacious and well furnished, comes with all the basic amenities and comfortable bedding for a relaxed stay. For those looking for extra comfort, the deluxe rooms offer a more premium experience with a larger space, extra seating area, and a private balcony with a scenic view of the Bay of Bengal. No vacation is complete without good food. The in-house restaurant serves a mix of South Indian, North Indian, and continental dishes. You can enjoy a meal in a cozy indoor setting or the open-air dining area. The resort also features a swimming pool where you can take a refreshing dip and a play area for kids to have fun. One of the best parts of staying here is its proximity to Mahabalipuram Beach and historic sites like the Shore Temple and the Pancha Rathas. You're just a short walk away from these incredible landmarks. Whether you're here for a weekend getaway or an extended stay, TTDC Mahabalipuram provides a comfortable and budget-friendly experience. If you like this tour, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel content. See you in the next video.